Man, come on, man. This is how it was when I was here last time.
No, it wasn't like that. It wasn't like that. We don't work on this car. Look here. Let me explain it to you. Tuesday, look here. We worked those cars Monday. Look, Tuesday, I had Wilson Funeral Home cars. I work on Wilson Funeral Home cars. The guy in Bishopville. Monday and Tuesday, I worked on his cars. Wednesday, we buried my little cousin. And Thursday, we back out here. And then the day,
where's the transmission?
We back out here.
Where's the transmission?
In there, right there. Yeah, I'm gonna get you finished up, Bo. Look at it. I know you upset. I messed up with this, but I just had so much going on, Bo.
I have lost so much.
And Bo,
this is what I do.
I know. You told me that, Bo. Like I said, my little cousin, we had the funeral cars up there. I could not fix the cars. We could not make it to the funeral. I mean, it's just pathetic, Bo.
And you won't call me back?
I don't want to go too far, so I just got.
Hey man, listen, man.
Listen, I know you're a nice guy, but you was maxed out. You was very, very upset. I don't want to go on the phone talking for all the long time arguing because I mean I respect you and I was just let you do the job, but I mean you all your stuff in the car now.
I need to get something out of it.
Okay, all your stuff in the car. I ain't taking nothing. I don't do stuff like that. All the stuff I had, everything is in here.
I had some
Need the battery hooked up?
no, it's all right. I lost at least $3,000, man, messing with you, man. All you had to do was tell me, hey, man. If you had to call me and say, man, I can't do it for a month, okay, then I can make other arrangements, man. But you put me in a hole like you wouldn't believe. I messed up so much money. I lost, man, dealing with this. So much time, back and forth, man. You know, it's really unacceptable to tell you the truth, man. Because this is not how you do business, man. How long?
Check back with me tomorrow, bro. Come down, call me tomorrow.
I've been calling you for 5 days. You won't even answer.
Bro, I had my cousin, my little 28-year-old cousin passed away.
I understand that, but all of this is just pick up the phone. Hey,
what
man.
I'm saying, we get on the phone, then we talking and talking and back.
This is like what it was when I came here the last time.
Everything like that. Everything bowled up in there. All your eggs, everything in there. We ain't got but a few hours left on the thing. We about to get back on in a few minutes. We just walk over there, pull that car.
See, I've heard all that, man. You said that to me a month ago. It's been a month.
Okay.
A whole month.
Okay.
A whole month.
Right.
I've lost so much.
I understand that. I understand that. Ain't nothing I can do on this. Like, so whatever you can call me, I can call you. How you want to do it, bro?
Where's the other transmission?
The old transmission?
Yeah.
It's over here. I got it piled up over here. Over here.
You say this is my old transmission?
Yeah. I'm gonna put that on my little junk pile. I'm gonna get a little few dollars for it, but not much. Though. I keep all my old transmissions. I don't change many of them, but all the old ones I get, I keep. You know, so that's the old unit there.
Today is
Friday.
Friday the 14th.
Yeah. get together. Let's make something quick right the ball. Was farther behind me, but all I can do is make it right, bro. And you give me a chance to do that, so we'll link up tomorrow and get everything cleared up.
All right.
Okay.
Tomorrow, man.
That's it.
You said take a
Like
picture
I
of
said,
all the parts.
If it was a thing quick, I wouldn't even tell you where I'm at. I mean, I wouldn't.
I
even-
know.
wouldn't
I
do
hear
that.
that. I hear that.
I'm just a person to help
Now,
1,000 people.
now, this is the frame.
That's going back up under there. When I put that back up under there, put this stuff on the top of it, we could turn the key in this baby, could get on down the road and do like it's supposed to do. With the 6-month warranty on it.
Now,
That's where.
now,
And that's your
where-
bad, that's all the stuff
where's
there.
the pieces that go? These 4 pieces, which is he told me, he said, oh gosh, what's the name? They're like screws, like giant screws. I don't know. He said,
All that stuff right, all that,
oh,
watch yourself, bro. All your hardware stuff right here. See these right here? They goes up in there to hold that thing up.
mm-hmm.
All them goes up in there to hold this thing up.
Okay, that's what he was saying.
All that stuff in there. Everything in there.
Okay,
Everything in there.
Yeah, he said
Pictures,
because we
everything,
can't-
everything in there.
the motor
all
won't.
I gotta do is get back and get finished up. Everything in there. Ain't nothing missing. All your stuff there. Yeah.
Let me take a picture of this. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, no, everything in there. When I get past the tail,
Man, this has been too long.
I can really